Hi everyone! Today we are diving into Revolut, the digital banking app that's changing the way we manage money. But what exactly is Revolut? How does it work? And how is it different from traditional banks and other digital wallets? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Revolut, including its benefits, drawbacks, and new features. Let's get started. What is Revolut? Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your money entirely from your smartphone. Founded in 2015, it's designed to make banking faster, cheaper, and more convenient. With Revolut, you can hold and exchange 30 plus currencies, spend globally with no hidden fees, invest in stocks and crypto, and even automate your savings. Unlike traditional bankings, Revolut operates entirely online, meaning no physical branches. But don't worry, your money is still safe. In the UK, deposits are protected by the FSCS, and in the US, they are insured by the FDIC up to certain limits. Now let's see how does Revolut work. Revolut works like a multi-currency account. You can hold money in different currencies, exchange them at real mid-market rates, and spend globally using a Revolut debit card. The app always offers features like savings, vaults, budgeting tools, and investment options. To get started, you simply download the app, sign up, and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can add money via bank transfer, debit card, or Apple or Google Pay. From there, you are ready to start spending, saving, and investing all from one app. Now let's see what benefits Revolut have. Revolut offers a ton of benefits that make it stand out from traditional banks. First, you can hold and exchange 30 plus currencies at mid-market rates, making it perfect for travelers or anyone dealing with multiple currencies. Another major perk is fee-free spending abroad up to certain limits, of course. You can also get access to savings vaults where you can earn interest on your savings or even save in gold and crypto. For those interested in investing, Revolut lets you trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities directly from the app. Plus, it comes with handy budgeting tools to help you track your spending and set monthly budgets. And let's not forget about cashback and reward. Earn money back on purchase and travel bookings. Revolut also makes global transfers a breeze with low fees and fast processing time. And the app itself is incredibly user-friendly with features like virtual cards, spending analytically, and auto top-up to make managing your money easier than ever. Let's see some features of Revolut. Revolut is constantly evolving and 2023 has brought some exciting new features. One of the standout additions is crypto stacking, which allows you to earn rewards by stacking cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. There's also Revolut Stays, a feature that lets you book hotels and flights while earning cashbacks on your bookings. For those who love saving with others, group vaults are a game changer. You can now save money with friends or family for shared goals, like a vacation or a big purchase. On the security front, Revolut has introduced enhanced biometric login options and improved fraud protection tools to keep your account safe. And for investors, Revolut has expanded its investment options, offering more ETFs and commodities to choose from. These new features make Revolut even more versatile, whether you are an everyday user or a seasoned investor. Drawbacks of Revolut. While Revolut has many advantages, it's not without its drawbacks. One of the most common complaints is the 1 to 2% fee applied to currency exchange on weekends. This can add up if you are not careful. Another issue is limited customer support. Some users report slow response times, which can be frustrating if you need help quickly. There are also ATM withdrawal limits to keep in mind. Free withdrawals are kept at a certain amount per month, and exceeding that limit can result in fees. Additionally, Revolut doesn't have physical branch, so if you prefer in-person banking, this might not be the right fit for you. Finally, while the free plan is great, it comes with lower limits compared to the premium or metal plans. For example, free users have fewer fee-free international transfers and lower ATM withdrawal limits. It's important to weigh those drawbacks against the benefits to decide if Revolut is the right choice for you. Now let's see how is Revolut different from traditional banks. Digital wallets like PayPal or Venmo are great for sending money to friends, but they don't offer the full range of banking features that Revolut does. For example, Revolut allows you to hold multiple currencies, invest in stocks and crypto, and earn interest on saving, features you won't find in most digital wallets. Additionally, Revolut's debit card lets you spend your balance anywhere, while digital wallets are often limited to online transactions. In short, Revolut is more than just a wallet, it's a complete financial hub. So, is Revolut worth it? If you are looking for a modern, future-packed banking solution, Revolut is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for travelers, investors, and anyone who wants more control over their finances. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.